Okay, I have not made a video on AMC, and when I'm going back to it, I'm like, holy crap, this thing is so freaking spring tight, ready to go to one, ready to make a move. It's insane. I mean, look at this chart. Draw your trend lines here, and you will see AMC had this big move up. Of course, it's not going to hold above my ATR4 band. This went to like an ATR8. It's going to sell off. We know that. Anybody that's in my Discord knows not the heck to buy ever up here. So all the new traders and retail traders that think this is going to $60 are going to learn price action real fast in this channel. So this goes down heavily. Where is it going to go down? Is my three middle bands. You have the EMA 5 is the purple, the 10 is the yellow, and the EMA 20 is the blue. All price action does that. When it makes its next move is what happens from there. So we hit this 20 here, we try to make a move up, and we're just, honestly, now we're just consolidating. That's what can happen here. Right here, we're so tight. If you look at all the EMAs, we're just like so coiled. And then if you look at the trend here, look at this. Like, any day I think this is going to make, who knows how long it's going to be in this formation. But as you can see, the upper band here is in line with, or the upper trend is in line with my upper band. That's more of a sell zone. If you're going to sell this, yeah, I'd take the profit here. If I was going to buy it, I would buy it down here. Wait, down here. So, nothing really exciting happening with AMC. It has good volume though, as you can see. Really nice volume. It's not like it's dead, but as you can see, big move up. Now just resting all throughout this area here. I suspect something good happens here, but I will show you guys my A plus setups here. I try to show you guys, what to look for. If you guys really want to really buy the extreme fear, buy price when it's depressing, is how I always say things. Look at this on my system here. When there's time distance away from the 5 and the 10, and then you see an ATR4 touch, look how beautiful this is. We hit the lower band. This is your A plus setup, and where do we go? Like I said in the beginning, the 5, the 10, and the 20. All price does that. We know for certain that's your conservative target. Now, do we know exactly when it's going to do that? No, nobody knows when. We just know it's going to do that. And what you do is, well, you look for extremes. Like, when you're extremely overextended, I don't use RSI. I think that's really, it has not been consistent. What I use is a KDJ, and I use these ATR4 bands that I customize it to a setting that I say, if it hits these levels, most often these stocks are going to have a nice little pump. And if you look at this data range here, from the lows from here, just the highs here, you're at a 49% gain. You tell me that's not good gains in literally a week's time frame. Very beautiful. And obviously, if you held from the top here, which I'm not going to say anyone should be able to do that, because obviously you're going to have stop losses, trailing stop losses. You're going to scale out. You should never aim for home run hits like this. So the current trap for AMC, it just looks like this. I mean, it's consolidating. Would I love it to hit this lower band here? Sure. But I do need some time distance first away from these EMAs, because as you can see, when you can clearly see the EMAs here, look what happens. Price fills it up. Look at this. Longer the EMA 20, the more vigilant it is. We have an EMA 20 here. We get close to ATR4. We know the most conservative targets is the 5 and the 10. I would take those gains. I would take it at the 5. If it goes down some more, it gets close, and then it finally hits the 20. So that's what we're seeing repeatedly with AMC. Look at this beautiful setup. We hit the 5 here from here, take the gains. We go back here again, and we bump up to the 20, and we complete the story. Remember, when price hits the EMA 20, the story's done. We have to wait for another story to be finished, or to start. As you can see, that's what AMC done. We hit the 20. There's nothing going on. We're waiting for a new story. Make a big move up or down. Let us know what's going to happen. Let us know if it's bulls or bears, and I would look to either short it at the ATR4 on the upper band, or I look to be buying it at the lower band here with time distance. But yeah, I really think this thing is so unnoticed. Every retail traders are impatient. I'm one of them. But when you see a trend channel like this, and if you get close to this lower trend channel, you better be freaking buying it, because I really think this thing is due. Even to the upper trend channel here, you can make nice money. I mean, let's look at the data price from this low here to the high. This is a 33% range here from this gaps here. So, yeah, I'm definitely watching it. Yeah, I'm going to keep an eye on this. I know a lot of retail traders are watching this, but this is the most simple analysis. It's the only analysis you really need. It's not really hard to figure out. Use the daily candle. Look what the price is doing. Draw your trend channels from the highs to the lows. Are you near the ATR4 and all that? If you want to get your chart to set up like this, I'm here. I work my, I'm here every day for people in my Discord, trying to, find them good setups. I've transformed many accounts from red to green. I have tons of testimonies. If you want to join the Discord, this is your chance to do it. Join the Discord by clicking the link down below in the YouTube comments and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. You can feel free to read the testimonies. I mean, there's tons of them. I can't upload them fast enough. But basically, please read how to subscribe if you have an Android. Avoid scammers. I'll never trade your account. I'll never DM you first. The easiest way to subscribe, and it's a simple price. Up in the top left on the server shop, $12 a month will get you access to everything. You guys got to learn my day trading strategy. What I showed you is my swing trading strategy that makes nice, consistent returns. I have an over 95% win ratio with proof. If you want to join my service with proof, if you click on my RTK journal here, you'll get access to that, and you'll see how consistent I am. Why, how conservative. I'm not here to make home run hits and promise you guys the world. You'll be millionaires. I'm not here to promise you that. I'm here to say you're going to be a consistent trader. You're going to make profits. You can do this full-time trading if you, as long as you allocate yourself, learn this, put the time in, and follow exactly how to do. Accumulate properly for swing trades. Day trading is one of my most successful strategies, and how you can make 10 to 20% gains in literally a matter of minutes every day doing simple strategy like this, but lower time frames. So $12 a month if you subscribe on your computer. It's a flat rate. If you do it on your phone, you will have to be charged a little more, because it's through the App Store. So I do recommend if you do it on your computer. And like I said, you're going to get access to my live streams. I go live every day almost. I give out my entries and exits, swing trading education. You can see all in here. I try to post new things. Everything's land out, day trading education. And then even prop firm futures. I've passed a combine, if you guys know what those are. I'm here to, it doesn't matter how much money you have. Anybody can do this. And there's layouts for everything, guys. So AMC is just freaking. The more I look at it, I'm like, man, I'm freaking like excited to know which this is gonna go. It's it started doing this formation since May, and now it's August now, the end of August. So yeah, I'm excited to see which direction here. I'll be watching it. But yeah, if you guys like the video, give a like, subscribe, comment. This is technical analysis that works. Keep it simple, stupid. And if you guys want to join the Discord, I'll be there. I'm going to work my butt off for you guys. Anybody that puts the time in, I promise you guys will be a profitable trader. All right, I'll see you in the Discord. Peace out and happy trading, guys.